Good morning students. Welcome back to the Social Science online class. Today we are going to start one new lesson, that is Unit 2 Physical Features of Tamil Nadu. First let's see what we are going to learn in this lesson. Understand the physical features of Tamil Nadu. Locate mountain, plateau, plain and coastal regions in Tamil Nadu. Describe the features of mountains, plateaus, plains and coast. Explain the types of forest found in Tamil Nadu. These are the topics we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, let's get into the lesson, students. Our state, okay. Tamil Nadu is located in the south of India. So, which is our state, students? Tamil Nadu, okay. It is located in the south of India. Where is located? Tamil Nadu is located in the south of India, okay. It is the 11th largest state in India. Tamil Nadu is the 11th largest state in India. It shares boundaries with, so Tamil Nadu shares boundaries, we'll see. So Andhra Pradesh on the north, so north side, Tamil Nadu shares boundaries Andhra Pradesh, okay, and Karnataka on the northwest, and Indian Ocean on the south, Kerala on the west, Bay of Bengal on the east. So these are the boundaries we shared Tamil Nadu. What are they? Andhra Pradesh on the north, Karnataka on the northwest, Indian Ocean on the south, Kerala on the west, Bay of Bengal on the east. Tamil Nadu extends up to Kanyakumari, which forms the southernmost tip of India. So, Tamil Nadu extends up to Kanyakumari, okay. Spell it with me, students. K-A-N-N-I-Y-A-K-U-M-A-R-I, Kanyakumari, okay. It is the meeting point of Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. So, Kanyakumari is the meeting point. Kanyakumari is the meeting point of Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. The Pulicat Lake is situated at the northern end of Tamil Nadu. Okay, Pulicat is situated at the northern end of Tamil Nadu. Okay. Do you know, students, Tamil Nadu had 32 districts. Recently, government announced 3 more districts, namely Kallakurichi, Chengalpattu and Tenkasi. So, at present 2019, there are 35 districts. But now, from the Tamil Nadu government notification, in 2020, there are 37 districts in Tamil Nadu. Okay. So, in 2020, there are 37. In 2019, 35 districts. Okay. Next we'll see landscape of Tamil Nadu. So landscape, spell it with me, students. L-A-N-D-S-C-A-P-E, landscape. That means land environment, okay, land features. So we'll see the landscape. The landscape of Tamil Nadu can be divided into 4 categories. So landscape divided into 4 categories, namely mountains, first one, that is we know Malaigal in Tamil. Plateaus, that is Peedabhumigal. Plateaus means an area of relatively high ground, okay, that means the elevated plain or highland, okay, and plains, that is Samaveli, okay, and ghost, that is in Tamil Kadarkarai. Host means the sea, beach areas, okay. So first we'll see mountains. Tamil Nadu is the only state in India which has both the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. So Ghats in Ghats meaning Malai Todargal. Okay, so Tamil Nadu is the only state which has both the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Okay, they meet at the Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. So that Ghats or meets at the Nilgiri Hills. Okay, and Tottupetta is the highest peak in Nilgiri Hills. So Nilgiri Hills, lot of hills are there. Tottupetta is the highest peak in Nilgiris. Spell it with me. Tottupetta, D-O-D-D-A-P-E-T-T-A. Tottupetta. Okay, that is the highest peak in Nilgiris. Tamil Nadu has various hill stations like Ooty, Kodaikanal, Kolli Hills, Kotagiri and Yerkad. These are the various hill stations of Tamil Nadu. Okay, what are they? Ooty, Kodaikanal, Kolli Hills, Kotagiri and Yerkad. Tamil Nadu has rich flora and fauna. Flora means plants. Fauna means animals. Okay. Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park in Animalai are the Western Ghats of the state. So, Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park in Animalai are the Western Ghats of the state. Okay. Sanctuary, we know that is the place protect animals, birds. Okay. There are a variety of plants species found in them. The Kurunji scrub is the most special of them all. So Kurunji flower, it is a very famous flower and beautiful flower. We already studied, right? So Kurunji flowers blooms once in 12 years. So it blooms once in 12 years. So that's all about the today class, students. Thank you.